the tranquility people of the book experienced under rule.
The oppression and violence directed by Byzantium against the Egyptian Monophysite Christians, the horrors endured by those Jews and Orthodox Christians who found themselves in the path of the Catholic Crusaders, and the persecution endured by the Jews, as well as by the Muslims and Jews in Spain after Conquista, have soil. Driven out of Spain, more hardship in their country where they sought refuge, many died and thirst at the gates of towns and cities they were not permitted to enter. Jews boarded Genoese ships were either exploited or sold to pirates. Jews escaping Spain, peace and security they sought on
Sultan Bayezid, who opened the gates of the empire to the Jews, issued a royal command to all provinces, expressing that Jews should be treated and affection. He said, "More than welcomed with all sincerity. Anyone benefiting the migrants or causing any harm to befall them will be punished." Sultan is known in history as a religious man, and his hospitality were benevolent. One of the lands where people attained peace under Islamic rule is Jewish and Christian communities living in Palestine enjoy freedom of belief in Islamic rule. They live in secure administration and engaged freely in commerce. The Ottoman Empire established in the region for 500 years, and it has proved impossible to reach the border brought up by the Ottomans. Freedoms and leniency enjoyed in Jerusalem and its surrounding area under Ottoman rule is described by Israel's ex-foreign minister, Eben, as follows. Jerusalem, Jewish nation, suffered torture, and every other course. After the conquest of Jerusalem by Sultan Yava Selim, its fortification by Suleiman the Magnificent, did the Jewish nation develop humanity, equality, and throughout the Muslim world, Muslims, Jews, and Christians lived together in peace and tranquility for centuries. The people engaged in acquired property as they wished, engaged in the trade or profession of their choice, appointed to posts in the state administration, even in the Sultan's palace.